I will show you with proof if this Funwithfeet is a scam website, or can you really earn from this website, or can you really buy from this website. So let's start. So first, a red flag, not a huge red flag, but little bit, that the website interface is not very good. You will see this button, the text is very small on this, so that's a very small thing, but that is a thing. So now if you will go in the website, and here you will see that they have collections, so that will, you will find that very good. But if you will sign in and you will pay for them, and you will get messages in the inbox, those messages won't even open. Even if you pay subscription fee, those won't open. Now let me show you the reviews, real reviews of this. And one more important thing, you will find many bots on this website selling their product, selling their feed pics on this. So let me show you some reviews. So you will see first review only, that this have many bots and there is no phone number for customer services. So second type of negative review is that you will get 13 messages at first, and you will not be able to open them. And third also says the same thing, that you will not be open this. So there are two things going on with this website. They are just literally making money from the subscription fee and not at all giving anything on this website. You will see many comments saying the same thing, and these are all just 5 to 10 days old reviews. So you can see that this is a